Hello friends, the topic of today's video is support vector machine, that is also called as SVM. So in this video we will see what is SVM, how it will work and how it is useful for classification. So what is SVM? SVM is a supervised machine learning technique. Actually there are a lot of algorithms in supervised machine learning technique, but SVM is most important. It is used for classification as well as regression. So in last video we have gone through the difference between classification and regression, but SVM is mostly used for classification. So you can see there is data, and if you apply SVM, so it segregate the various classes. So before starting SVM, we'll see how the supervised machine learning algorithm works and how it is useful for SVM. So if you see supervised learning algorithm, in supervised learning algorithm there is label data. The labels are mapped to the features, and according to that the output is predicted. So here you can see there is triangle and circle. So the labels are provided. This shape is triangle, this shape is circle, and then model is trained, and then output is predicted on the test data. So same thing has been drawn in the form of figure through SVM. So what is SVM? SVM create the hyperplane between the classes. Now what is hyperplane? It is the decision boundary which separate the two classes. So here you will find there are two class, circle and triangle. So here the hyperplane or decision boundary is created between these two classes. Now there are various ways we can create the hyperplane. We can draw this straight line, we can draw like this, but the decision boundary which give maximum distance means here you can see this is the last point, this is the last point. So we have to identify a boundary which is the maximum, and that maximum boundary is called as margin. So and this whole thing is called as hyperplane. Now if you look at these 2 points, these 2 points are closer to the boundary between these two classes. So that's why it is called as support vector. So these are the support vector. This is not support vector, this is not support vector. This is the support vector, which is differentiation between these two classes. Now why this boundary is created? Suppose if new data come, if the new data contains triangles, so it will be put in this category. So that's why these two boundaries are created. So this is how the SVM works. Now there are two types of SVM. SVM contains two types of data: linear data and non-linear data, that we'll see in next class. Here the main purpose of the SVM is to differentiate or to create the decision boundary between two classes. So that's it for SVM. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share.